Cloud list groups can be set up and used to toggle between location-based sets of lists. In this example, we're going to set up list groups for Henderson, Houston, and Vegas. Each location-based group will have the same 3 associated lists of hardware, labor, and lumber. All of the location-based hardware, labor, and lumber lists will contain the same columns, the only difference being the unique data for each location, such as the cost of each item, which may change from one location to the next. The first step in the process is to add all of the location-based cloud lists from the TradeTech Cloud Setup dialog accessed from the File menu, then clicking Preference and the TradeTech Cloud button. Once all of the cloud lists are added, click the Groups button to set up list groups. From the List Group dialog, click the Add button to add a new list group. Once a list group is added, click on it to select it, then click the Add Map button to add a location-based list to the group. Type in the virtual list name, which is the general reference name that will be connected to the corresponding lists in the List tab, then select the location-based cloud list to map to. The virtual list names must be the same across all of the list groups. Once each list group is set up and all lists have been mapped in each group, the next step is to add the external lists in the List tab to connect the virtual lists to. From the List tab, create a new external list for each virtual list that exists in the Cloud List group. Set the external and TradeTech Cloud Radio buttons, then click the List Name button and choose the appropriate virtual list to connect to, then map each column to complete the setup. Once each external list is created in the List tab and connected to the appropriate cloud virtual list, you can now toggle all lists in the group by clicking the Select Group button and choosing the desired virtual group name.